So today we are teaching y'all how to bleach shirts. First, you want to print your design. We already have our design printed. Let us know if you want us to teach you how to get a design. Next, we cut out the design to whatever bleach we want it to.
And then you want to center up your design where you want it on the shirt. And then what I like to do is I use some flour and a paintbrush. And I just kind of go around the outline of the design so that I kind of know where I want to put the bleach. And then I put the design away until I'm ready for that process.
Prerequisite, you need some of. Alright, just make sure y'all put y'all's cardboard in between each shirt, just so it doesn't bleed through. And then you take your bleach and we're gonna start bleaching. Alright, and now we let it bleach. Your bleaching should slowly start turning white. Now we're going to take our peroxide to stop the sublimation. And now the back.
You ain't gotta soak it, just spray it.
Alright, and the sublimation should be stopped. And then you throw your bleach shirt in the washer on cold and let the cycle go through so that completely stops the sublimation process. Okay, now we need to take the shirts out and dry them. Alright, now we're going to take them out of the dryer. And as long as they're dry, we should be good. Pull these out. Oh, we got that in there. And here's the result of our shirt. Alright, thank y'all. We're going to be sublimating these shirts in the next video. Thank y'all. If y'all get a chance, hit the like, subscribe, give us a comment. Later.